So do you also use ChatGPT? And what if I say that in the market right now something has been launched which is similar to ChatGPT, but it is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to use it, and also you can run it locally on your local host as well. And also there is no limit for the credits which you are using. You can use it as much as time you want. And the main factor which is there, that is you can run it locally on your local host without any internet. I mean, you don't even need internet connection to run it. So Google has just launched its new agentic AI tool, that is Gemma 4, and it is currently trending over the internet because you can literally just download it and run it locally on your local host. So that means no more sharing of data, no more leak of data, and no more information getting shared anywhere in the cloud or something. I mean, you don't have to literally share any of your data anywhere now, and everything is being managed on your local host by yourself only. So Google has currently launched this new tool which is very much right now trending, and I'll show you in this video how you can configure that in your own PC or phone. And also I'll be using it and I'll be comparing it with ChatGPT, that what is the difference between ChatGPT and Gemma 4. So what are the let's say performance ratio and whatever. We'll be seeing everything in this video A to Z, and I'll be comparing everything for you guys in this video. So Gemma 4 that is there. So Gemma 4 model has been launched by Apache 2.0 under Apache license. And also, as you can see, the Gemma family has open models built by Google DeepMind, and it is currently have their own 4 models. So and also you have a context window up to 256K tokens. I mean that is completely equal to a complete whole book if you will share it, a complete whole book pages, like a complete book pages. So that is a lot of tokens which you can use right now. And the models which they have, that is E2B, E4B, 26B, and A4B, and the last one is 31B. So and these all models depend upon their functionality, space, and the efficiency. So coming up to their performance, as you can see the E2B, E4B, 31B dense, and you can see the 26B model over here. So coming up to the tokens, so in the E2B we can see 128 tokens. So and E4B also we can see 128 tokens, which is pretty much as well. And in 31B dense you can see 256 K tokens, and in 26B you can see 256K tokens as well. And all these 3 models support the image and the videos, and also it supports the text as well. And in the E2B and E4B model you can see also audio support as well. So you'll be getting audio support in this and this as well. In 31B and 26B, there okay, 26B they have the audio, I guess, but okay, they have not mentioned the audio over here. But in E4B and E2B, you will be getting the audio as well. So and you will be having access to text, image, and audio in both of them. And in this one also, okay, in 26B only you are getting text and image. Coming up to the benchmark over here, so as you can see, 4 are the benchmark over here, and also you can see that E2B and E4B has also performed very nice in some of the areas as well. I mean, they are low configuration, but also they are performing pretty well if you have like low-end configuration device and you don't have high-end configuration device. You can go with these as well. So you can move on to the Gemma 4 website, so you can see the model size, and here is the E2B, E4B, which is for the phone, and then there is the 26B and 31B for the desktop over here. So coming up to the capabilities, you can see the capabilities. It supports 140 languages, fine-tuning, efficient architecture, multi-modal reasoning, agentic workflow, and everything is there. And you can see the performance chart which is there, and it is currently mind-blowing right now. And you can see here is the benchmark over here which I've already shared you. So you can just go and check out the benchmarks for these as well. Move on to the next part. So coming up to the part where we can install it in our local host completely. So what I'm using currently right now, I am using this LM Studio, which in which you run agentic tools. You can use agentic tools over here as well. So it is kind of like ChatGPT only, but you can use different type of agentic tools and LMs over here. So I'll be looking into the model over here. We see the LM Studios have these four models over here, and you can see this all of them take different storage. So depending upon your specs, you can go with them. So I'll be using this 26B model. So let's search on the model. Okay, so on the first page only, you are getting this 26, like it is currently trending right now. So I mean, they might have updated it over here. So that you can see it has already gone 64,000. Sorry, 6,46,000 plus downloads right now. So I'll be downloading it as well. It is 17 GB for the storage. It will be taking 17 GB of the storage, but let's get it downloaded first. Downloaded the LM Studio over here, and the model has also been downloaded. You can check it either here. As you can see, it is now ready to use, and you can use it in new chat. So I'll just take a model which is Gemma 4 over here. That is 26B A4B, which I have chosen. So this model I have chosen, and it will take a little bit time to initialize the model. It has been selected. Now what we have to do is, let's say it is here. So I'll just simply write that, hey, please tell me about yourself. Please tell me about yourself. And as you can see, it will generate a response over here. Okay, so as you can see, the response has been generated, and coming up to the response, as you can see, Gemma 4 has been launched, and it is saying that it has total four models over here, and it is 2B, 4B models over here. It supports input, audio, images, and also, as you can see, the knowledge cutoff over here. So we will look that the knowledge cutoff is up to currently January 2025. So the model has been like the knowledge having till January 2025. Okay, so here's the quick comparison which I have promised you guys between the ChatGPT and the Gemma 4. So I'm using the Gemma 426 B version currently, and for the ChatGPT I'm using the free tier, and I'm not logging into the ChatGPT. So I'll be giving the prompt to both of them, and we'll be seeing what is the response they are giving to us. So as you can see, the Gemma 4 has already started creating the like giving the response, and also ChatGPT has started giving the response. So in comparison to the speed, I would say Gemma 4 is quite like compatible, like it is quite competing with the ChatGPT as well. So both of them have started giving the response, and we'll see the final response that what are the difference between the response and how Gemma 4 is performing over ChatGPT or not. Okay, so the ChatGPT has already finished giving the response. As you can see, the ChatGPT has given the response, and when coming up to the preview, as you can see, it has given a very minimal look website, and it is chosen light background colors as well. And while looking into it, it has given me some transitions, a little bit of the animations as well. So overall, it seems pretty decent to me as a single page landing website for Gamma 4. Now coming up to the Gamma code, let's see what Gamma is providing. So Gamma is still generating. Okay, so Gemma 4 has also completely given its whole code. As you can see, it has given all line of code. So what we'll be doing is we'll be checking what does Gemma has generated. Okay, so here's the preview with Gemma for Gemma 4 which ChatGPT has generated. So as you can see, it is pretty minimal, and it is for the full screen, it is having a lot of space leaving it over here. And this is what Gemma 4 has generated. So personally, I would say their font, I literally like their font style which they have used over here. And also, as you can see, the animations they have added, that is also there. And it has also given a very good light contrast as well. And as you can see, the animations, the transition are pretty better, like pretty much better than the ChatGPT response over there. And also, as you can see, the card hover over here with the Gemma 4 has generated are much more better than what ChatGPT has generated. I mean, as you can see, it is over here, but I would like this much more like from UI's perspective. So this is something as you can see. So Gemma 4 overall I would say in the way it looks, Gemma has really done a great job in this. And all of this you can use it completely offline. I mean, you don't need to send your data to any cloud server or something. You don't need any internet connection. And this is the power of Gemma 4, which I was saying and talking about you guys. So this is how you can use Gemma 4 in your own local host and without any internet and anything. And they have also given the transition to the button as well. So this is so in the phone now, as I promised, I'll show you how to do it in phone. So I'm gonna use this currently the version which I'm using, that is E2B, because it is slightly smaller version for phone. So in phone we cannot use heavy version. So just let it download, and after getting it downloaded, we'll be trying it. And let's just try it in the phone. So first I'll be giving it some prompt. So let's just initialize it. So the model is initializing. Okay, so now the model has insight, so I'll just give it a higher prompt, and as you can see, it has instantly generated the response. Now, what I will do is I will just turn on the aeroplane mode, and I'll off all my internet connection, and will show you what does the response it gives then. So as you can see now, what is happening if I'll give it a response? Let's just say I write, "Hey, tell me about yourself," and okay, so now it is generating the response and as you can see, this is generating the response completely offline without any internet connection. And this is how you can benefit from Gamma AI in your phone anywhere without any internet access in your local phone or local software anywhere. So this was just an introduction. So instead of introduction, let's try to check another prompt. So I will just write, give me some uh, tech related ideas for my YouTube. Okay, so give me some tech ideas for my YouTube. Okay, so I'll just ask this question to Gemma, and as you can see, it has instantly started generating the response, and it is giving me all the ideas over here. The prompt has generated, and this is how you can benefit from Gamma offline in your phone. A lot of things which it can do, and as you can see the comparison between the ChatGPT and Gemma 4, so it was amazing and mind-blowing. I mean, just think of it as that you have the data saved on your device and you don't need to literally share your data, share your information with anybody or any cloud platform. I think this is going to be a revolutionary. So, and also at some places where you don't have the internet connection, and maybe in flights or somewhere where you need it and you don't have any source of internet. I mean, this is going to be proving very helpful to those places. And this was all about this video, and let me know in the comment section if you like the video, and if you're new to channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.